Right, so just a quick video and a demo of a homemade clam trap. Now this one's made out of 2 shopping baskets and they're tied together at the bottom, and I've run a bungee cord through it. Now you could do this with normal elastic or springs. I'm just trying to think whether it's compression or, well, the springs, which when you pull them out they spring back in. A piece of wood with a slight notch cut in. Now one thing I would say is, if you can get this further open the better, and the trigger stick lower down it is better, but I'd set this up and it just needs to be slightly modified, so you can get it more open, I'll show you in a minute, and the trigger lower down here, it is better. But I think this bungee cord is a bit wrong. Might have been better if I used elastic. So I had to set it up like this, but you get the idea. And it's a bird's trap, and what you do is you put some sort of carcass or something in the bottom there, you know, like a carrion eating bird. So put some sort of meat or dead animal in the bottom, and then basically the animal lands on this perch and he's shut up and it traps the animal. So like I said, it's better if this is lower and it is more open, but you get the idea. So I'll just quickly show you how I've tied it. So there, all it is, it's just tied together in 3 different places. The bungee cord run through it. So if you could get it open more like that, it would be better. And have your bait stick, your trigger stick, your perch, more down here rather than up there. But because of the way it is, and using the bungee cord and the shape of this, I've had to do it like that. And to set it, it's slightly awkward. I'll just show you this first. So there's 2 sticks, each has a small notch there, and that is to fit against the bar. And then I've done it so they lock together like that. It's quite awkward to set it. I'll have to set it high again. That wasn't too bad then. So your bait in the bottom, or whatever you want to put in there, depending on what type of animal you're going after. And then the bird lands on the perch. I suppose lands on the perch to have a look, and when he does, he gets caught in the trap. There is another way you can set this up. So I've seen clam traps, which I'm going to try and do this one later, but I may have to modify these slightly or just do something slightly different. Is you can basically have it set up in this position, and it's open like that. And they reckon this is absolutely brilliant for pigeons, because pigeons don't like to have something over their head if possible, and they like to be on normal ground. So you can have it like this, the perch in a similar place, and then when it stands on the perch, it closes again. I'll see if I can set that up in the garden. I've had to do that. Right, so that's a simple perch trap, not a perch trap, clam trap. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.